Hey besties, welcome back. And if you are new here, hi, I'm LaQuisha Monet and I am so excited to be back. I've been missing the action a little bit, but today we are doing a full face of all my new high-end makeup products. So let's just go ahead and get into today's video. Bobbi Brown or Anastasia Beverly Hills. Now the Bobbi Brown has SPF 15 in it, so that's great. And then Anastasia, she's a blurring matte. I don't think I really want a matte look today, so we're gonna go with the Bobbi Brown Foundation today. I am gonna apply her with a brush today. I'm actually gonna try like squeezing a little bit onto my brush and then onto my face. Normally I would squeeze it directly to the face, but no. I think that this is pretty tacky and I'm actually loving her because she gives me a glow. Yeah, I think I'm gonna end up loving that. And we want to pat into the skin. Okay, yes, she is definitely my skin tone. She matches perfectly. And she is lightweight. She's very, very lightweight. I actually did not put enough on my brush, so we are gonna add just a little bit to the top of my forehead. But okay, I'm loving it. And honestly, like that glowiness did not go away like from that primer. So I'm just gonna add a little bit to the top of my forehead, down the nose. Okay. Oh, and she's giving full coverage. Full coverage, but super lightweight. Love that. I'm actually going to do the top of my eyelid with the Morphe Peekaboo Concealer. This one is in Peak of Soft Tan. And I'm just going to put a little bit here, here. And then I am going to do like my forehead and my chin. Actually, and we're going to do down my nose. Yeah, I think I like that placement. I'm going to let her sit, and while she sits, we're going to try out LYS. And I got her from Ulta. This one is Honest Medium Dark. Absolutely love the packaging. I had her upside down. Oh, love, love, love. Now, I've been working on my placements for my contour. I feel like I had been putting her too far down, but I think that should be a good placement. And this is very creamy, and I'm literally just tapping ever so lightly, and she's giving off so much pigment, like so much. And I feel like I can just do this, and then I can blend her down. Super creamy. I could tell she's gonna be one of my faves. And today, just for the sake of it, I think I'm gonna go ahead and put down my blush. Now I did get the Saie Beauty blush. This is a liquid cheek blush in Cutie. And I feel like she's giving off more like a neutral tone, like nothing too bright, but just really good. And that's because, oh yes, like I wanted something a little bit more neutral tone, and I think this is gonna be nice. Now let's just go ahead and just start blending this out because I have a lot going on here. But since that concealer is dried down, we're going to, actually maybe I should do the blush first. Oh yeah, see, that's giving me such a natural glow. Like she's not too overpowering. Because I want something a little bit more subtle, and she's subtle and she blends out perfectly. Everything I wanted. Okay, and now let's blend out this concealer. I've actually used this concealer quite some time, and I do love her. I never really let her sit this long. I am gonna add like a little bit more of that blush because she's cute, but I definitely want a little bit more. Let's blend out this. I've heard to like brush upwards to lift up your cheekbones. I don't know if that's really working out for me. I'm still like figuring out the good placements for my face, but she blends out so smooth. Like not too much effort at all blending her out. Oh, so cute. Now this is my first time using a lot of these products. LYS, the way that this just blended out, I need more LYS. She's good, she's real good. Like little to no effort and she blends perfectly. And remind you, I did let that sit because I was putting like the blush and everything else. Like we're almost halfway through. I am using a Morphe Mini Bake and Set powder. This is the translucent one today. I do have the translucent and the bright pink. It came in a bundle together. I decided to use this one today and just see how this works. Now, I don't ever have really any good luck with like translucent powders and just powders in general because I feel like they make my under eye look so like white and just not what I'm looking for. So I did pat it on the back of my hand and let's blend. Like, oh, she seems bright. She seems like she's a little bit too bright for my liking, but this is just probably a me problem, not a Morphe problem, you know. Let's try to like pat her a little bit more. Oh, I mean, she's still smoothed out really well, you know. I don't see any like cakiness under my eyes, and I think I'm just gonna go ahead and set all the rest of the spots. I'm kind of just taking what's on my hand and applying it to my face. I don't know how I feel about the powder. Like, is it too bright, you guys? Is it too bright or is it just right? Well, let me know down in the comments, because when it comes to like setting things, I feel like I can get like too much. I don't know, like it just be too much a little bit. I'm gonna add just a little bit more of the Saie blush just because I love this color, and she's actually super easy to blend out. Like, I have definitely found some gems, some everyday products that I could wear. Like this Saie blush, she's gonna probably be like an everyday blush. Even without makeup, I feel like she would look really good because she's not too blinding. I'm loving her, and she gives like a little sheen too. Okay, so far I have no complaints. Everything is everything. Oop, I'm dropping boxes. Okay, now we're gonna try the Rare Beauty lip liner. This one is in Wise. These are all the brands I've been wanting to try for a very long time. I haven't really seen too many videos on some of this stuff. I'm just like in the store, just like, you know what, we're trying everything. Almost everything. I do have some gloss on my lips. I probably should kind of like wipe that off really quick and powder my lips. That is a little trick that I learned from a TikTok comment for your lip liner and everything to last a little bit longer. And we're gonna use that same Morphe powder to do that. I'm just gonna take just a little bit. I'm not really sure about the science behind this, but when I did try it, the liner did. Oh, she just glides. She glides on the lips. No struggling, no tugging, no nothing. Also, you twist her to get your like more product out. And this color is everything. It's honestly just a brown, but I love a brown lip because some browns can be too light and they don't really show up too well. But her, loving it. Rare beauty. Now we're gonna use the Fenty Champ Stamp Fantasy. This is what she looks like. Super cute and shiny. I'm gonna add her to the lips today. Let's see. Look. Oh yes. This combo is everything. Yep. I think I just found my favorite lip combo. Oh, and she smells good. She actually smells like a little peachy. Like, it smells really good. For mascara, I did get a mini size of the Too Faced Better Than Sex waterproof mascara. I just decided to get a mini because I've never tried it, and I kind of didn't want to take a risk of getting a full size of a mascara. The brush on this is super different than what I'm used to. She distributes product really well. And I feel like my lashes are keeping kind of like their curl. We may have to get a full size of her. Like I said, the brush is definitely different. And let's see if we can use her for the bottom lash because the bristles are a little bit different. Yeah, but your girl is scared, okay? Okay, she worked okay for the bottom lashes. I was a little nervous and scared to do it, but I mean, she did put some product on the lashes at the bottom. And I'm gonna use the Morphe Mini Continuous Setting Spray all over the face. Ooh, that smells good, and it actually has a really good like spritz to it. Like most of them don't spray like this. This might end up being like an all-time favorite because she sprays so well. Like I love the mist. Let me change my battery really quick. Okay, this is the final look, and I would definitely say that everything that I bought was definitely worth the splurge. I love this foundation. This is the Bobbi Brown Foundation. She's very lightweight but super full coverage. Like, come on, love it. I think that this primer is definitely going to hold my makeup on all day because she's very sticky and she gives you kind of like a glow. One thing glowing on me right now is literally that Saie blush, and like I said, she's in Cutie. And if I could find another blush, because I didn't set like the blush or the bronzer, if I could find some shades like that can go on top of these, that would be super good. But I don't mind it like this. It looks really, really good. I think that it looks nice. But of course you are supposed to really set everything with some type of powder, so like it doesn't like come off and things. But I'm loving this. I am gonna like blend this just a little bit more on my forehead. I think my lights are making it look a little bit more shiny than it is, but absolutely love all my products. So everything will be linked down below if you want to try any of these products. I'm gonna try and find them and link them down below for you guys. But we have the Maybelline Grippy Primer, Bobbi Brown Foundation, and if you want to know my shade, I am in Neutral Almond. The LYS Contour Stick, she is in Honest. The Saie Blush, Cutie. The Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. Concealer, I did use a Morphe 2 concealer in Peak of Soft Tan. The Morphe Translucent Setting Powder. She's in the mini size for me, but I would definitely say she's worth the big size because like now that everything is like blended and everything and set, like I think this translucent powder is the best one I have tried so far. We have the Fenty, what is this? The Fenty Gloss Bomb. Come on, do she needs any introduction? Like, super shiny, not sticky. She's a good gloss. The Rare Beauty Lip Liner. Love, 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 love. She glides on perfectly. The color, the brown, is perfect for me. Like, she's not too dark, she's not too light. She's like right in the middle, what I've been looking for. Then, of course, to set everything together, we use the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. And when it says mist, it's definitely a mist. And I love that. I love how she sprays onto the skin. I hate when setting sprays shoot out or just be really weird. And this one is perfect. She's my #1 now. But if you guys enjoyed today's video, make sure as always that you give this video a like. It helps my channel out. Make sure you also subscribe down below for more videos like this. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.